Data visualization was a hot topic at this year's Nail It conference in Madison. Tallan is a gold certified Microsoft partner, including the disciplines of data analytics and data platform. We've helped government agencies and Fortune 500 companies leverage Microsoft Power BI to gain insight into their data, and would be glad to help your legislature do the same. Let's take a quick look at some examples using real legislative data. Committee administrators and legislative leadership might be interested in graphical representations related to bill volumes. This visualization, using data from a prior session, simulates the number of bills in committee at a given point in time of the Delaware legislative session. On the right, a simple breakdown of these same bills as Senate or House measures. Below the visualizations, a list of and links to each of the bills represented above. As session plays out, data visualization can help display legislative progress across chambers. Here, we're using legislative data to show legislative funnel stages in the House and Senate at a given point in time. In the House, 40% of bills that were introduced have been signed by the governor, while that rate is just shy of 33% in the Senate. Below the funnels, we can see the average time elapsed for each of the above stages. The 374 House bills out of committee at this point in time have been in process for an average of 103 days. Visualization can be about events as well as legislation. Here, we see a representation of hearings and events over time at the Massachusetts legislature. I can see a committee's activity over time, activity for a specific month, and activity by chamber. Finally, data visualization can include sources beyond a legislature's own data. Leveraging a third-party resource like openstates.org, we can gain insight into the activity of other states. Here, we're comparing the overall bill volume and subject matter of those bills from a selection of states. We can select a subject matter to see the varying levels of activity related to that subject from state to state. Being able to see the story within the numbers makes data visualization a powerful tool for sharing and communicating information. Data visualization can be used for demonstrating performance, communicating trends, understanding the impact of new strategies, showing relationships, and much more. These representations can be powerful tools for communication and collaboration, bringing greater value to reports, applications, or any context where sharing information is required, like on a legislative public portal. For more information, contact us or visit tallan.com/LMS.